Industry 4.0. Industry 4.0 is the fourth industrial revolution, which is characterized by the automation of many manufacturing processes and the use of digital technologies such as artificial intelligence, the Internet of Things, and robotics. It is also referred to as the smart factory, as it is centered around the idea of making factories smarter and more efficient. Industry 4.0 is transforming the way companies operate and is changing the way products are created. Creativity is a key factor in the process of Industry 4.0 as it allows for innovative solutions to be developed in order to take advantage of the new technologies and processes available. With the use of creative problem-solving and innovative ideas, businesses can create products and services that are more efficient, cost-effective, and desirable. Creativity is also essential for the development of new products, services, and processes that will drive the success of Industry 4.0.